Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Brave browser and its performance. For instance, if you've been experiencing performance issues like the Brave browser working slow, lagging, or using too much memory, I'm going to guide you through this and show you which setup may help you achieve a smoother and faster performance. However guys, for obvious reasons, it is not guaranteed that the presented setup is going to fix each and every performance issue entirely, but if applied correctly, these settings may contribute to your Brave browser's performance improvement, but more about that just in a second guys. So with that in mind, let us get started right away. So start by launching the Brave browser, be it on your desktop computer or on a laptop, and right from the get-go guys, I'm using Brave browser for this explanation and example video. Definitely not on a high-end computer, but on a pretty old computer with Windows 10 as an operating system. So as you can see, Brave browser can work pretty smoothly and flawlessly also on older systems. So let me show you which setup I have chosen to achieve that performance level. So what you want to do in the first step guys is head over to your Brave browser's settings. Here from your home feed, simply click on these three lines in the top right corner. And before we dive any deeper into the technicalities and technical details, let me provide you with very basic advice or tip. It may help improve your browser's performance, not only here on Brave, but in general. If you clear your browsing history, specifically your cached images and files as well as cookies. So to do that, simply select delete browsing data from that menu here to the right, or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+Delete on your keyboard. After that, you will be redirected to that window here. So switch from the basic tab at the top to advanced here and select the time range for the browsing data you would like to delete, like the last day or the last month or your old time browsing data. And after that, make sure that here on the left hand side, cached images and files as well as cookies are selected. If that's not the case, simply select these checkboxes. You may do the same for any other elements or items of that browsing data list, but clearing these is basically optional. The relevant ones are the cookies and the cached images and files. Confirm by clicking on delete data here, and that is going to free up 319 MB of space, for example, if I delete these cached images and files right now. So that's the first step guys. What you want to do next is simply check if you're using the most recently released or the newest version of the Brave browser. To do that, click on About Brave here in the bottom, and after that Brave will check for any updates that are available, and if these are available it will automatically download these, or before it does that, ask you for permission to download and to install the newest updates. So that's totally up to you. As you can see, my Brave browser is currently up to date. So that's step number 2. Step number 3 would be to check how much memory tabs you have open here on Brave are currently using. For instance, if you're a frequent user of browsers like that, and if you like keeping open multiple websites open at the same time in multiple tabs, and doing that may, you may already guess it, impact the memory you're using as well as the browser's overall performance. What you can do for a nice indicator guys is simply hover your mouse over the given tab that is open here at the top, and after a brief moment you will see the memory usage for the given tab open, which in this case here is for example around 50 MB for that page here, google.com. So if you keep a lot of these tabs open at the same time, various websites, this may lead also to higher memory usage, up to a point when Brave browser starts to set at least some of these open tabs on inactive so that the memory usage doesn't exceed a certain limit. Now if you don't see that feature here with that memory usage over the given tab or card guys, simply head over to appearance here on the left hand side inside your browser settings. Scroll all the way down till you get to the tab section, and here make sure that this feature show memory usage on tab hover preview card is enabled to the right. That will give you the opportunity to check the memory usage for each open tab. And in the next step guys, what you want to do is head over to the system settings here on the left panel inside your browser settings and scroll all the way down to check if you're using the memory saving tool or the memory saver. According to this description here, Brave browser, as described just a moment ago, may free up memory from inactive tabs, guys. So as previously mentioned, if you have several or multiple of these tabs open, the memory saver, if enabled here on Brave browser, may change the status of some of these tabs to inactive to save a memory. So guys, to enable this feature, simply enable it here to the right or toggle it on, or you may also decide whether you'd like to use a moderate memory saving or on maximum or a balanced one, which is the recommended one. And these levels refer basically to the time it will take for the Brave browser to set one or more of these tabs to inactive. For example, if I let it or keep it on balanced, the Brave browser will set these tabs on inactive after an optimal period of time, maximum after a very short period of time, and moderate or under moderate after the longest period of time. So go with the option you believe may suit your user or browsing behavior the most. Another feature here in your browser system settings that may lead to improvement of your browser's performance, as at least based on reports I have read online, is the hardware/graphics acceleration feature, or to be more precise here, some users have reported that disabling the hardware acceleration, for example, if they're using Brave browser on an older PC or system, disabling it may have led, for example, to a faster and smoother performance without any lags or slowing down. So decide for yourselves, guys, if you believe your graphic card and your computer may handle that. You may, of course, keep the graphics/hardware acceleration still enabled. Another feature that may be slowing down your browser's performance is the so-called picture-in-picture mode or window. For instance, if you're watching videos on external video streaming platforms through the Brave browser and you see it in a window here in the bottom right corner while staying on a completely different website at the same time here on your main tab, that may also lead to performance issues in some cases. So if you'd like to disable that window or picture-in-picture window, because usually it is enabled on default, if you'd like to disable it, follow my instructions. Head over to Privacy and Security here in your left panel inside your browser settings. After that, click into Site and Shield Settings here. Click into this feature here under Additional Permissions to expand this menu. And here inside the menu, scroll all the way down till you get to the Automatic Picture-in-Picture feature. As you can see, it is set on automatic on default, so sites can enter that picture-in-picture mode automatically without asking for permission. So click into it to disable this feature by selecting Don't allow sites to enter picture-in-picture automatically. Of course, alternatively, guys, you may set also custom exceptions for that rule here by adding the given website's URL here by clicking on Add there, and by confirming it, you will give the given website or video streaming platform the exception permission to still use that picture-in-picture mode, even if it's in general disabled or not allowed here. So that's another one. And the last option, guys, or the last measure would be to simply disable and maybe even remove all extensions you're currently using in your Brave browser, because some of these, if installed and used in the background, may be slowing down your browser's performance as well. To check which extensions are currently used and installed, simply click on that button in the top right corner here. And if you don't see that icon, guys, extensions icon, simply click on these three lines in the top right corner, hold your mouse over extensions here and click into Manage Extensions. And last but not least, simply go through that list of all or currently all used extensions in your Brave browser and disable, if needed, the given extension by toggling it on, toggling it off here to the right, or simply remove it entirely by clicking on this button, confirm the removal, to get rid of that extension, so that this may lead to some quality or performance improvements for your Brave browser. And that's basically it, guys. That's at least the performance setup I have chosen for my Brave browser, and I've been doing very well with that performance setup without any larger performance issues, lags or slowdowns. So guys, that's basically it. Let's leave it at that and call it a day here. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.